Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Phone. My name is Paurush, and Realme is a brand that is quickly transitioning from being a smartphone brand to a tech lifestyle brand. I mean, in 2018, the company launched their first smartphone, and in 2019, Realme entered into the smart wearables category, and we got to see the first fitness band and an affordable smartwatch from Realme. And now the company has launched a premium smartwatch with the name of the Realme Watch S Pro. And in this video, we are going to review the Realme Watch S Pro and let you know whether you should spend your hard-earned money on this smartwatch or not. So do watch this video till the end. And if you're new to this channel, then consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from Mr. Phone. Realme's new smartwatch is a showstopper. For one, this wearable is extremely sleek and has a sporty dial with a minimalistic touch, allowing buyers to dress it up or down. Secondly, you can pick up the S Pro with a colorful strap, including black, blue, green, and orange. They add to the wearable's flaunt factor. That being said, it's interesting to note that you will not be chained to a strap choice should you pick the smartwatch, as the unit features rapid release pins. They allow buyers to sift through different straps effortlessly. All said and done, Realme has done a pretty good job with the design of the S Pro. The Realme Watch S Pro ships with dual physical buttons, cleverly placed for convenient access on either hands. The buttons are used to go back to the home from any screen. While the top crown also functions as a power on and off button, the bottom crown gives direct access to the workout modes. Apart from that, the buyers will get a heart rate monitor on the wearable's underside. Barring that, the Realme watch is void of any toggles, which furthers the S Pro's minimalistic aesthetics. Thanks in part to its svelte chassis, the Realme Watch S Pro is absolutely comfortable to wear. Moreover, the durable silicone straps gives your skin room to breathe. Speaking about weight, it could have been lighter when compared to the competition from Xiaomi and Amazfit. Nonetheless, it's still comfortable to wear the smartwatch to bed at night. We would also like to point out that the S Pro's crest did not bite our wrist while we were doing push-ups or our regular wrist exercises. Also, the S Pro is water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can sweat it out in this lockdown without worrying about damaging the smartwatch. The Realme Watch S Pro ships with a 1.39-inch AMOLED display, which is plenty sharp and bright for day-to-day usage. Moreover, the screen is bordered by lean bezels, ensuring that you get a lot of screen real estate without making the display big and bulky. You will also get the always-on display functionality, which at the time of reviewing this smartwatch hasn't been rolled out by the brand. Thankfully, the raise to wake feature is available to make up for the unavailability of always-on display, and it works every time without a miss. Realme also teases the availability of 100 plus watch faces during the launch event, and guess what, it was already rolled out via OTA. Further, the Realme Link app allows you to customize the watch faces according to your needs. You can apply wallpapers from your phone onto the wearable. Much like its siblings, the Watch S Pro also runs on a proprietary unnamed operating system, which, simply put, is as bare bones as it gets. Unlike competing smartwatches, the S Pro does not come with support of third-party apps, which somewhat limits the functionality of the smartwatch, such as you cannot reply to the notifications, you cannot accept the calls since there is also no built-in microphone. Furthermore, the proprietary operating system means that you cannot load your favorite fitness apps like Strava, MyFitnessPal, Google Fit, or more such popular fitness apps. Well, only if it was a Wear OS enabled smartwatch, it would have been a force to reckon with. One upside of the lightweight overlay is that you will scarcely notice any lag or stutter while navigating through the user interface. Speaking of which, the S Pro offers touch-based controls to go about the user interface, and a swipe to the left or the right will let you access the step counter, the heart rate monitor, and more. A swipe up from the bottom on home screen brings up the watch's menu, from where you can access all the 15 applications, whereas a swipe in the downwards direction pulls up the notification shade. The quick action toggles are accessible with a swipe left from the home screen. A single tap on the crown or the physical button will take you back to the home screen, and a long press is used to end a workout or an activity. Speaking about the interface of the Realme Link app, we felt that it had a clean design as it has presented us with a lot of stats front and center. The downside, however, is that the smartwatch takes a hot minute to sync data with apps. The scenery remains unchanged should you want to update the watch face, which ideally should not be the case. Moving on, the app lets you handpick which services can push notifications over to your wrist. It's easy to configure. We noticed the watch could buzz our wrist as soon as we were getting a message, and there was not a noticeable lag in serving the notification. But unfortunately, there is no way to revert back to the notifications through the smartwatch, which is a bummer. Compared to the Fitbit Versa 2, which retails for a couple of $1,000 more and offers voice dictation as well as custom quick replies, the Watch S Pro did leave us desiring for more. The Realme Watch S Pro can track 15 different activities, the likes of which include outdoor run, outdoor walk, outdoor cycling, spinning, hiking, swimming, basketball, yoga, rowing, elliptical, cricket, strength training, and free workout. Further, to support your outdoor activities, it comes with built-in GPS, which latched onto our location within 15 seconds. Correspondingly, it lets you map routes using the Watch S Pro without having to carry your phone when you are out for a run or cycling. The step tracking was accurate for the most part too, and the smartwatch did not factor in ghost steps either, which is good. The Watch S Pro also lets you track your swimming routines, although we could not quite put up that feature to test since it's shivering cold in Delhi right now. Realme has introduced something called SWOLF score, which apparently is used by professional swimmers to monitor their efficiency. Swim golf, or SWOLF, is obtained by adding together the number of strokes taken in the pool length and the time it took to swim that length. Interestingly enough, the watch starts acting up should water droplets hit the display, which is why the company restricts touchscreen usage when swimming. Speaking about sleep tracking, the Watch S Pro can provide insights into the user's REM sleep and helps you to map sleeping patterns. You can get to work with metrics like deep sleep, light sleep, REM value, and awake minutes. Further, it's all presented in the percentage so that you get a better idea of your sleep behaviors. What's more, it also maps your heart rate during sleep. That being said, Realme's watch have rarely disappointed us in the battery department, and now the new Watch S Pro is no exception either. The smartwatch advertises a 2-week battery life, and during our stint with the wearable, we comfortably got 6 days with more than 50% juice remaining to exploit. It should last for 6 more days, adding up to 12 days usage. We kept 24-hour heart rate monitoring and a bunch of other features turned on. We extensively used the watch to access notifications and a range of its features during the review period. Suffice it to say, the Watch S Pro will spend more time strapped on your wrist rather than staying put on a charger. So that's it guys, this was our review of the new Realme Watch S Pro. This is a great looking smartwatch. It offers you a gorgeous AMOLED display. It offers great fitness tracking features. And if you do not care much about third-party application support, then by all means go for this watch. It is a brilliant watch. Like, the price is also really nice. But if you do care about third-party support, like if you want to use some third-party applications on your watch, then you get a lot of other options from Amazfit and Xiaomi. Speaking of Xiaomi, we also have the Mi Watch Revolve with us, and we are going to compare the Mi Watch Revolve with the Watch S Pro. So stay tuned for that video. How do you do that? Well, hit the red subscribe button, press on the bell icon, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video. We'll be back soon with another one. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye, stay safe.